So that has been
and
destroyed by the government.
yes, not destroyed. That has been
How to make the path?
to clear the pathway and to clear the road. They have broken this pathway.
This used to be a lake
हाँ, पानी की इतनी कमी थी.
on the both sides.
Yes,
Acha, for this he was cursed.
yes. For this he was cursed. तभी तो ये पाथवे है, फोर्ट है ये वाला, और रेस्टिंग प्लेस है ये सामने. खत्म हो गया.
नहीं, I have the space.
देख रहे हो क्या लगता है कि एक लगता होगा. This is Ghiyatuddin Tughlaq's tomb.
Yes. From 1321 to 1325.
Self-built tomb with a mausoleum enclosed within the high backward pentagonal stone walls, strengthened with bastions surmounted by.
Was he a dictator? Some people say yes.
Yes.
Because he had
He
had ordered all the laborers.
He was of a whimsical nature, and the problem with power is it is often persuasive / forceful. So it happens. Somebody who died at least 700-800 years ago, you should not talk about him in such a way.
But is it not amazing that still the monument is
This is Delhi's.
the monument is still intact?
This is Delhi's biggest fort. I don't know why. About the causeway, born on the arches presently, this has been pierced by the Mehrauli Badarpur road.
That road
Yes, the one
on which we were
from where we started climbing this.
a few seconds ago.
Yes, this is called a causeway.
The water used to flow from both the sides.
Yes,
And did he used to swim in that?
that I don't know. पर एक यहाँ पे अगर मूठ है और जैसा यहाँ कह रहे हैं ना.
So can you explain me? Here the rocks are different, but here he has used red sandstone.
No. This has been done by the Archaeological Survey of India, for sure.
So you mean to say that it was not part of the original structure? It has been added
It does not
later.
look like the part of the original structure.
So are we going to meet? I don't know what is written in Urdu, but this must be something relating to Mr. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq.
I may be wrong. The red sandstone used in the entrance is a part of the original structure, I guess. However,
Do you think this is the resting place?
maybe.
Some people used to sit here.
ये पिलर्स देख रहे हो? ये क्या है? अरे भाई, ब्रेथ देखो कितना है मोटा.
This is the space for water to run off. And these are the passages for air.
नहीं, all of these passages are for air only, but इससे सामता होगा सब ना घाट सब. ये कौन सा इलाका है? इधर भी एक रोड है क्या? एक सड़क सामने है, पंचाकार है ना, पंचभुजाकार. Because of
Can we go inside now?
you see that
Yes,
The
I
angle,
see.
the angles are different.
Yes,
This side
it's
से
more like a trapezium.
yes, this is like a trapezium.